I'm going to show you how to release your Guardian garage door operator from your garage door. First, we're going to locate the red release cord that's hanging in the air, and we're going to pull down on it, and that will release the door. And now you can manually push the door up and down. The reason you would need to do this is in the event of a power outage or if you just want to move your door up and down by hand. To re-engage the opener back onto the opener system, you're going to pull the red cord back towards the operator, like this. And then we're going to come over here. We're going to run the opener trolley up. See it come up over here. And it re-engages on its own right there. Now the garage door is connected and you can run it from your operator again. If you have problems with your garage door or garage door operator, please contact us today.